Thanks for coming out again today. This is our last session, so we're going to spend half our time in the bunker, just going over some simple greenside bunker techniques, and then we'll go down and do some full swing and just kind of tidy up some stuff. You know, nothing. We're not going to change the wheel. We're not going to do anything crazy. We're just going to do what's in our DNA and improve upon it. So, first off, when we talk about greenside bunkers, you know, what's our common miss? Do we leave it in the bunker? Do we go over? What would you say?
In the bunker.
Just leave it in the bunker?
Rolling back down.
Yep. So when we get in this situation, obviously, number one goal, get out. Get out. Number two, get it on the green. Then number three, we're going to try to get as close as we can. Sometimes we can do that. Sometimes it's just not feasible to do it. So the important thing that I want you to get out of today, if we're leaving our ball in the bunker, that means that we're using the dig portion of our wedge. So we're using the leading edge, typically, when we have that common occurrence over and over and over. So we need to start using the bounce. So this little rudder back here, that's what we want to use. You know, the good thing about this shot is that we don't have to hit the ball. The only time we don't have to hit the ball. So we're going to work on, number one, our entry point, which is very important. We want the entry point to be just behind the ball. We're going to work on that, and also just basically tempo. Tempo. Because if you guys are using the dig and leaving the ball in the bunker, that might mean that we're trying to influence the club with our hands and arms. So this shot, all it is the pitch shot we did last week. So as a refresher, we're going to open up the club face to about 1 o'clock. Play around with it when you have a chance to practice. You can open it up more, as much as you want to. But today we're just going to open up to 1 o'clock. Ball position off the left foot for loft, because we've got to clear this lip and get it on the green. And then we're just going to dig in with our bodies. Again, open stance. We kind of want an open stance here. Again, as a reminder, what that does is preset some rotation into the swing, so you don't have to work so hard to turn when you're swinging. And then from there, it's just that something to something shot. Nice and simple. So something to something, or if you want to think of it as 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Either way, A-okay. So open face, ball off the left. We're going to open up that stance a little bit, dig in some, and from there it's just back, through. Back and through. Length of your swing determines how far the ball goes.